Having gone through the basic use cases, we'll do the case 2, where you want to say something like, not like about, you want to say 3 or so. So when you want to say like 4 or so hours ago. Okay, 4 or so hours ago. So whenever you have this thing called or so, okay, how do you sort of say them in Hindi? Okay, so you already know what is 4 in Hindi? Chaar, very good. Okay, whenever you have a notion of or so, what you do is you put ek next to the cardinal number. So 4 is chaar, you just put ek. Okay, Chaar-ek घंटे पहले. Okay, so if you want to say the train arrived 4 or so hours ago, ट्रेन 4-1 घंटे पहले पहुंची और ट्रेन 4-1 घंटे पहले आई. Your obvious question would be, can I say लगभग और करीब? Do I have to use 4-1 घंटे पहले? So you can absolutely use करीब or लगभग as well. Okay, this is just different way of saying it. So it's not necessarily that you must use it or this is the way to use it, but Hindi speakers on a conversational level, they use this phrase quite a lot. Okay, so as you're conversing with people, you should know about like when there is a number or cardinal number followed by ek, that means they're talking about approximation, or they're trying to give indefinite number around that, right? Let's see some more examples, and if you hopefully doing the examples will make sense. Yeah, Chaar-ek panne. Next one. Beautiful. 4-1 घंटे. Yeah, very good, right? So casually you want to, at the end of the class, Narasiji, you want to say, Ashuji, I have 2 or so questions. How will you say that in Hindi? Beautiful, right? Ashuji, मेरे 2-1 सवाल है. You want to say that I've been to India 5 times or so. Just I'm making it up. Right? मैं 5-1 बार इंडिया गई थी और गई हूँ. Okay? मैं 5-1 बार इंडिया गई हूँ. Okay, so there it's very common. Okay, any questions so far? So just the trick here is it's spoken and in a very casual manner and used in the informal settings. Right, so I'm gonna go show some more examples on that one, so you can at least strengthen this one before we do the. Okay, so again I have some examples written down. These are very easier one for you to practice. So why don't you make of your choice 4 or so hours. Beautiful. Okay, मैं 4-1 घंटे हिंदी पढ़ती हूँ. Beautiful.